Hey there, social media butterflies. Today, I'm diving into the world of glitz, glamour, and straight-up stunning women. Yep, we're talking about some of America's most beautiful and influential ladies. First up, Zendaya. She's got it all: incredible acting chops, unique fashion sense, and a heart of gold. From her jaw-dropping role in HBO's Euphoria to her killer red carpet looks, Zendaya is a true icon. Next, the powerhouse vocalist with a ponytail that defies gravity, Ariana Grande. With hits like Thank You, Next and Seven Rings, Ariana has taken the pop world by storm. Plus, her connection with fans. Absolutely heartwarming. Now let's talk about the timeless beauty and talent of Scarlett Johansson. Whether she's kicking butt as Black Widow or tugging at our heartstrings in Marriage Story, Scarlett's beauty and acting prowess are undeniable. Then we have Emma Stone, who can charm just about anyone with her dazzling smile and amazing acting skills. Remember her Oscar-winning performance in La La Land? Yeah, she's that good. And who can forget Taylor Swift? From her country roots to pop superstardom, Taylor's musical journey is nothing short of phenomenal. Her bond with fans and her activism make her even more admirable. Bow down to Queen Beyoncé. With her powerful vocals, electrifying performances, and undeniable beauty, Beyoncé inspires millions around the globe. Plus, her dedication to social issues, pure queen behavior. Last but definitely not least, Angelina Jolie. Not only is she a stunning actress with roles that leave us speechless, but her humanitarian efforts are truly commendable. Angelina's work with refugees and human rights issues is as impressive as her film career. So there you have it. America's most stunning women who are slaying in every possible way. If you want to share this amazing video with more people, please share it on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Kakao Story, and TikTok. We're waiting for your clicks, and remember, liking and subscribing brings you good fortune. Catch you later, gorgeous people.